Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. Of course, you should know that you should have your old phone, and now let's do the steps that you should do on your old phone first. So now this method will work on both iPhone and Android. First, you should go and open your Microsoft Authenticator on your old phone. Then you should go and click on these three dots on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on settings. After you click on settings, you should scroll down till you find here cloud backup. If you are on Android, it will show you here cloud backup. If you are on iPhone, it will show you iCloud backup. You just have to toggle this option on. Once you toggle this option on, it will show you here this email. Your account credentials backed up to recover. Use this email with its password, of course. Then you should click on OK. After that, you should go and grab your new phone. Then you should download the application from App Store or Play Store, whatever you have. Then you should go and click on Restore from Backup. Once you open, you'll see this interface. If you cannot see this interface, you just have to go and click on Skip on the top right side. It will show you here this interface. Just click on Begin Recovery. Then you should enter the email and password that was used in the recovery from your old phone at first. They'll give you one of these verification methods. Choose the third option, which is the email verification method. They will send you a code. You should copy the code from your Gmail or email, then paste it right here and click on verify. After that, you will see all your accounts that has been linked to your old phone. You will see them on your new phone. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.